Hey guys, welcome to my page again. Today I'll be teaching you how to download and install fonts on your Figma. So in case you don't have a particular font on your Figma, or you open a Figma file and it's telling you the font is missing, it's very simple. All you just need to do is get the name of the font, or probably you see a font you like outside your Figma and you would like to use it in your Figma. But today I would like to start from scratch, that is from downloading the font itself. So the first thing you are going to do is you come to Google, then you type the kind of fonts you want. So I'm just going to search for Islamic fonts. As you guys can see, I've searched for Islamic fonts because I'm working on a Ramadan mobile app right now. So I'll click on any of these links you see here. So they are all free fonts websites or platform. So I'll click on the first one, then I'll look for a font I like. So let's say I like this Arabic Ramadan. It looks very beautiful to me. So the next thing I'll do is I'll click on download, and as you guys can see, it has been downloaded in my download folder. So after that is done, the next thing I will do is I'm going to go straight to my download folder here. I'll right click on the zip file and I'm going to extract it here. Yes, that's what I will do. So but then, because my files are not well arranged, it's supposed to come next to this one, but since it's not here, I can just search for it, and I'll search for Arabic. Yes, as you guys can see, I have the Arabic Ramadan text down here. So I'm just going to double click on it. One is open type format and one is true type format, so they are still the same thing. So you don't need to install both of them, just install one of them. So I'll just install the first one. I'll double click on it. You guys can see the dialog box here. Then I'll click on install, and once it has been installed, once the installation completes, I'll just close this dialog box. Then I would minimize my download folder box. The next thing I'll do is I will head right back to Figma, and I'm going to reload my Figma tab. So I'll just click on reload here, and I'll wait for my Figma to reload. Yeah, my Figma is loading up already. Yes guys, so if I want to be sure if my font has been installed on Figma, the next thing I'll do is I'll just pick any fonts on my Figma board, and I'm going to try to search for that particular. I'll pick any text on my Figma board, and I'll search for that typeface I just installed, which is Arabic. You guys can see now the font has been installed on my Figma and I can use it now. So in case this doesn't work for you, but I'm sure it is going to work because Figma have upgraded their platform and now you don't need to use the font helper anymore. But back then, when I started designing as at 4 years ago, 5 years ago, we used to install what we call the font helper. So the essence of this font helper is to help you bring in your local fonts on your laptop, locally downloaded and installed fonts on your laptop into Figma. So it kind of merges your local fonts with Figma. So that is the old school way we used to get fonts on Figma. So in case this doesn't work, as a backup process, just go open a new tab and go to just your normal Figma homepage. Then you come down here. This place you have your profile picture and your name. Click on the drop down, then go to settings. So once you click on settings, you scroll down to fonts. You scroll down to where you have fonts. Look at, you scroll down to where you have fonts. You guys can see these fonts here. So it's telling me my local fonts are not enabled. So that is because I already have this page opened before this video. You guys can see it has been updated already. So it's telling me that my local fonts are enabled already. So in case your local fonts are not enabled, you will see a download link here, which you can use to download the font helper. So just click on the download font helper. Once you download it, you install it. Once you install it, come back to your Figma tab and reload your Figma tab. Then automatically all your locally installed fonts will appear in Figma. That is how to download and use new fonts in Figma. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my page. I'll bring you something new next time.